We're here at City Floors for the advanced installation class through the NWFA. The guys are getting started on layout, getting the panels cleaned off. They've already designed their floors, so they should be getting close to start measuring and setting up some jigs for milling.
So we learned how to do all the different patterns. We're learning how to bend wood, how to make up sleds, and how to use jigs to cut these different patterns for the different floors that we're putting in. We're doing a basket weave with maple and walnut.
We did a Monticello pattern, so it comes to a point, so it looks like nice crosses, and have a maple border with some cherry in the centers. So we just kind of wanted a little bit of variation and contrast when they actually put some finish on it.
Well, it's a rhombus pattern. If you look at it, you can see that it sort of replicates a cube look. The species we used were Brazilian cherry, maple, and walnut. We chose those three colors because they're contrasting and they give a good effect for depth.
This would be good for anybody who's doing any kind of installations on the layout side. If you've ever done any herringbone floors or pattern floors at all and been kind of stumped on the installation, this would be a great class to take.
Making something like this is really all about the preparation and the planning. You really got to get all your math kind of set to begin with, figure out the room size, and then figure out what pattern's going to fit best in the room and the space.
If you just measure and cut, your pieces are not going to be exactly the same. Your pattern's not going to work.
I've done other pattern floors, but I certainly learned quite a bit. Jason Elquist is a great teacher.
It's a great facility. We've got lots of space out here. Warehouse, they've got it kind of cordoned off for us, so we've got classroom and we've got our workspace. Still a working business, and we see the forklifts go through, but this is a great facility to run a school.
I looked at these floors and thought, wow, they're pretty neat, but had no knowledge of even how to begin to go about doing them.
NWFA has certainly helped to introduce me to new techniques, better techniques. Technology keeps evolving.
Even with 20 plus years experience of being in the field, I still learn something new at every one of these classes, so it's really beneficial for everybody on all skill levels.